how long does it actually take to buy a home? Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Laura Sinian here, realtor with eXp Realty here in Drumheller, Alberta, Canada, aka, yes, you know it, dancer capital of the world. And on today's episode of Keeping It Real Estate, we are going to be discussing the timeline of purchasing a home. But before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't already so you never miss any of my uploads, and do follow me on Instagram at Loden Living for more real estate content just like this. Let's get into the video. The process of buying a home is very exciting, but it can be quite laborious. And if you are a first-time home buyer, you may have a lot of stress and anxiety around the process because you simply do not know what to expect. Hence this video. Now on my channel, I have done a lot of videos on the home buying process from step A all the way to step Z, so do check out those videos. I will link them in the description box below and in the cards above. But for this video, we are going to be talking about, again, the timeline of buying a home. So actually, how long does it take for each stage of the home buying process? Now, of course, before you are going to buy a home, it is important to get pre-approved. This will give you the reassurance, confidence, and ammunition so that when you do go to look at homes in person with your realtor, you are ready and able to pull the trigger and write an offer then and there. Now, with negotiating, this can be 1 to 2 days. But now with technology, with emails, with e-signatures, deals can happen within a matter of hours. So you could potentially find a home, see it, and on that same day write an offer, and by the end of the day you could have an offer accepted, or even in a matter of hours because of the technology that we have today. Now with the deposit, after an offer is accepted, usually for my buyers I write in that the deposit will be given to the sellers within 2 business days. But depending on your circumstances and how your realtor does their paperwork, it may be an actual date. Now keep in mind with the deposit, if you do not get the deposit on time, the contract can be voided by the sellers and you could be out of the deal. Now moving on to the condition day. So usually if you are putting in an offer, you are going to have conditions like the mortgage or property inspection, or if you are buying a condominium unit, you will probably most likely have a condo doc review condition in there. Now this condition phase is also referred to as the buyer due diligence phase, and this is typically 5 to 10 business days that you have to do everything that you need to do and get everything approved, ready to go, and remove all those conditions so the deal can become firm. So once conditions are firm, I like to think of from when a deal is firm and possession, this phase as real estate purgatory. And this phase is basically, again, leading up to that possession date. Now with possession, it can be as little as 2 weeks to 90 days. But generally speaking, lawyers do not like the 2-week closing because they do need time to prepare your paperwork, gather all the documents that they need. If you are having a mortgage, they do need to receive the mortgage instructions from your lender, so they do need time. So lawyers, our real estate lawyers, don't really like that 2-week window for closing. But if you are having a unconditional offer and you're paying for a property in cold hard cash, this shouldn't be a problem, but still be sure to check in with your real estate lawyer to see if a closing of 2 weeks can happen on time. Now, to round this video all up, potentially buying a home can take you as little as really 6 weeks. So, putting an offer in, you basically have 2 weeks to for your condition phase, and then, probably 4 weeks out from having possession of the home. So that is typically the timeline of purchasing a home. It can happen very, very fast. So that's kind of the stages. Again, I suggest that you refer back to the videos I've done on the home buying process so you can understand how this timeline applies to the actual home buying process. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below with any questions or concerns that you may have, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads, and do follow me on Instagram at Loden Living for more real estate content just like this. And until next time, I will see you all next time. Bye, friends!